Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are using the Realme Narzo 90X and in this video I'll show you how to fix sound or speaker problem easily. If audio is low or not working properly, don't worry, just follow the steps carefully. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Now without wasting any time, let's get started.